Hello everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to create a digital signature in Foxit PDF. This is a secure way to sign your document electronically without needing to print or scan anything. Let's get started. In Foxit Editor, we can create a DocuSign or a digital signature by clicking on Home, then selecting Fill and Sign at the top. If we want to create a new one, we can do it here and then click OK. This will generate the signature. As we can see, the signature appears here. We just need to click or drag and drop it. Now we can see our electronic signature ready to use on our documents. It can also be used on DocuSign. Whenever we have a PDF and want to add a signature, we can do it here by clicking on the Form option. Here, we can create a signature, but this feature is only available with a Foxit plan. We can use that option, or go to the Home menu, click on File, and select Fill and Sign, so we can add a signature. And that's how we create a digital signature in Foxit PDF. With this simple process, we can easily and securely sign our documents digitally.